Happy Halloween! Welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY. This is my version of Disney's Ursula the Sea Witch costume, and I created the look with a lot of DIYs and some strategically purchased accessories, including a giant purple body stocking. Draw a tentacle shape on a piece of paper. This will be your template, and you'll cut it out and use it to trace all your fabric pieces for your tentacles. Make sure it's as long as your legs or however long you want it. Sew the purple and black pieces together, right side together, so that you then are flipping it inside out. After you flip it inside out, you will be stuffing it with cotton. I sewed a black sash that was a little longer than my waist, and this is what I attached all the tentacles to. I also made this tulle skirt to go under the tentacles, and I used the same technique by attaching it to a sash and then kind of putting it all together. For the accessories, I took some fake shells that I used for the crown as well, and I just painted them with Mod Podge and then just poured the appropriate sparkle, whether gold or purple, over it. For the trident, this was a very cheap devil's trident that I just glued shells on and then spray painted gold. The crown was a labor of love. This probably deserves an entire tutorial, but I made a form out of foam and wire and then just adorned it like crazy with all these different shells and sparkles. So here is everything together. I wore the purple nylon, then I had these frilly shorts and a black corset. I put the tulle skirt on, then the tentacle wrap over that, and then really it's all the accessories. I tried to paint myself purple. It didn't work out very well, but I'm happy with the result. Happy Halloween!